What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, so I was going through all my Donalds again, and I found this little mark here. That is a mismold. So sometimes when the plastic is shot in the machine, it doesn't fill up all the way. So that is what you are seeing here. That's not a chip. It's actually a mismold. So sometimes when you see a chip out of a PEZ dispenser, it will be mismolded. Now with these IMC7, which are the Hong Kong dispensers, they are made with a junkier plastic. Yeah, there you can see it again. Very cool dispenser though. But I saw this and I wanted to share it with you. So if you do have some chips out of your dispensers, check and see if it's a molding error or if it is actually a chip. Is that the Loch Ness Monster's head? I don't know. Until next time.